In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view video transcripts in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find a video's captions and how to manage them so you can read the transcript or update it if needed. Start from any Google page where you can see the Google Apps menu, the small grid of dots usually in the top right corner. Click the Google Apps icon to open the panel, then click Drive. This takes you straight into your Google Drive, where all your files and folders live. Next, locate the specific video file you're working with. You can scroll through your folders, use the search bar at the top, or filter by file type if you have a lot of content. The important thing is to select the exact video whose transcript or captions you want to see. Once you've found it, look for the three dots icon, also known as More Actions, next to the file name or at the top of the page when the file is selected. Click those three dots to open the menu of options for that file. From that menu, choose File Information. This opens a details pane that shows extra information about the video, like its size, owner, and activity. It's also where Google places tools related to the file's metadata and accessibility features. In that details pane, click Manage Caption Tracks. This is the key area for transcripts in Drive. Here you'll see any existing caption tracks associated with the video. If captions already exist, you can confirm the language and track status, which effectively gives you access to the transcript content used for on-screen subtitles. If there are no captions yet, this is where you can add a new caption track by uploading a supported caption file, such as an SRT. In many cases, you'll also see an option to generate automatic captions. Use that if you don't have a caption file on hand and want Drive to produce a machine-generated transcript that can power subtitles. Keep in mind automatic captions are fastest, but uploaded, well-edited captions are usually more accurate, especially for technical terms or names. A couple of quick tips as you work here. Make sure the video's language is set correctly, so automatic captions are more accurate. If you don't see Manage Caption Tracks, check that the item is a video file type supported by Drive and that you have permission to manage it. And if your captions aren't showing during playback, confirm that the caption track is active and that you've selected the right language. That's it. Open the Google Apps menu, go to Drive, find your video, open the three-dot menu, select File Information, and then Manage Caption Tracks to view or create the transcript behind your video's captions.